Hello, friends. Hope you well. And I'm back with another idea that is about garden signboards, or you can say destination garden signboards. Great garden signs can set the mood for the entire garden. Have a look at these ideas in this video and find the right one for your space. They are funny, salty, sentimental, and tell it like it is. The idea is to attach several signs of different lengths and colors, each with the name of the city and the distance in miles. The location used not be real, in fact, but can be imaginary or even places in your own garden or property, such as pond or secret garden. You can make your signpost large and small, tiny even for a fairy garden. As you pass by your signpost in the garden, you fondly remember your family members or favorite dream locations. Choose a theme such as families, cities of residence, places you want to visit, locations from a favorite movie or book, fairy tale location, garden rooms at your place, exotic and romantic locations around the world. To make the signs, choose any type of scrap wood or whatever wood you would choose. Cut points on one end of each sign boards. Sand all the sides, paint each one a different color, and choose a color scheme. Screw each to the post and aim it in the direction of the real locations. Use your imagination for fantasy locations. Bury the post or anchor it in a concrete filled 5-gallon bucket. Display your favorite places to visit. Nanny garden, arrow pointing up with the word heaven on it, a secret garden, uh, a wonder emporium, Babylon, Wonderland. There's the dragons, Sherwood Forest, Middle Earth, Wonderland, the Willow, the St. Francis Garden, Plumfield, White Way of Delight Burn. Don't forget Grandma's house. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the information and the ideas in it. Do tell us from where you're watching our videos. I hope so you like our videos. If you like our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the like button. And if you want any other idea to be filmed, do tell us in comments. We would like to make a video on that idea, and your opinion is very much important to us.